Oh, look! Pocoyo, Pato and Ellie are building a tower. They're taking turns putting the blocks on. Hello, everyone!
Hi!
Ooh, looks like it might topple over. Sorry about that. Well done, Pocoyo. Now it's Pato's turn. Pocoyo's had a turn, Pato's had his turn. So whose turn is it now? Can any of you tell Pocoyo whose turn it is now?
Ellie! It's Ellie's turn.
Oh dear, that was quite a sneeze, wasn't it? That's right. Let's try to build the tower again. Good job, Pato. Now it's Ellie's turn.
Ellie?
Oh dear, I think she's going to blow. Whoops, oh my. Ah, yes. Let's try again. There we go. Now, Pato.
Pato! Pato!
I wonder where Pato is.